Rocket ka na ng konti dito. So, I'm going to take the ball. This is what will happen. I stroke the ball. Ball will bounce here. Hack B. Hack B. Please let me explain. A, B, C. So, where's the right time when you need to hit the ball? To catch the ball. Actually, A going to B. Mga 3/4 na lang. Not halfway, but above the line. You have to catch the ball. Okay? That's what I do for you. Timing lang. Tayo na kita, sir. Ready? Lakas lang, sir. Relax. Good. Good. Perfectly done. Hindi dapat sa iba. No pressure. Come on. Just enjoy it. We're here to enjoy it. Have fun. Ready again? Good. Again, di ba nasabi ko sa'yo, don't mind the ball. Don't focus on the ball. Because if you will focus on the ball, parating na bola sa'yo, ganito yung nangyayari. Kasi nakafocus ka sa tamaan ng bola. Focus ka sa target, somehow parang nakikita mo. But make sure, bibigyan kita ng time tumingin sa racket mo. Okay, check your racket, facing angle, good, ready. And then eyes on the target, and then go. Where's the racket going? Yun. Again, ready. Check your racket, facing angle. Take it, it's okay. Ready. Eyes on the target. Remember to put the racket in your shoulder. Go. Here you go. One. Again, ready. Check. Ulit-ulit lang yan. Ready. Go. And then ready. Balik again. Check. And then go. And then ready again. Go. And then go. While you're waiting for your turn for the shadow. Okay, sir, ready? Relax lang, ha? Oh, yeah. Ang pala. Kita. Dapat nandito ka sir, eh. Kaya okay lang. Kasi this is just a refresher po sa'yo. Para maintindihan mo rin. Kasi nag-training ka, pero iba yung in-explain ko sa'yo kung bakit. Para mas naiintindihan mo. Wala kasing ganun doon. Baka tirahin mo ng ganyan, ha? Yan. That's the way it is. Kaya in-explain ko yung details para maintindihan mo siya. Bakit? Why? Bakit kailangan may basic? Bakit kailangan may yaman? For you, ma'am, let's doing good so far. Ready? Ah, diba? Good. Relax. Remember to find your rhythm. Check. 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 Breathing in. Check. Check. Facing angle. Good. Check. Facing angle. Wawala kasi di ba? Hindi mo na-check to. Always check. In your mind, kahit hindi mo nakikita, pag gumanyan ka, dapat tansyado na yan. Automatic na yan. Kahit hindi mo nakikita. Oh. Oh. Naka-program na. Okay? Dapat naka-program na. Ready, go. Good. Okay, check. Good. Okay, check. Okay, check. Angle facing, ready. Good. Check. Facing angle, ready. Good. Okay, check. Okay. Check facing angle. Good. Oh, may rhythm na. Nice. How is it? Good? Pagkatapos ito, bibigyan ko na kayo ng ano ha, 1 round each. Napagong na si sir eh. Dapat nandito na siya. Talo na ito eh. So, tinanong ka, ba't nagtiwag ka pa? Ito ba masagay? Wala, dapat lang. Your turn again. Control. Control lang, saka ano na. Ang kailangan may workout yung relax mo para